Dealing with a medical emergency, whether for yourself or a loved one, can be a stressful ordeal, and being stuck with the medical bills afterward can be hard. Even with insurance, a quick trip to the ER for something that seems to be simple could end up costing hundreds of dollars. Not many people have that kind of cash lying around to deal with an emergency. You can try to seek financial assistance programs through the medical provider themselves. This can help break up the payments into manageable amounts. If paying over time is not an option and you need the money now, you might want to consider a payday loan. Anyone 18 years of age or older can apply for a payday loan regardless of having good, bad, or no credit. The prerequisites are simple. You'll need a valid photo ID, a copy of your last pay stub or proof of income, and a blank check tied to your checking account. That's it. In as little as 30 minutes, you may qualify for hundreds of dollars in emergency cash to help take care of your medical expenses right away. So what are you waiting for? Get started with our online inquiry form now and have the financial help you need as soon as tomorrow. Be sure to like and share our videos, leave a comment, and click the subscribe button for more helpful videos coming soon.